Will the volcano underneath the Yellowstone National Park destroy the United States?
Where will it happen? Why will it happen?
When will it happen? How will it happen?
Why is this important?
Our question is, will the volcano under Yellowstone National Park destroy the United States? But before we could do this, we needed to know some key terms.
A volcano is a vent or fissure in the Earth's surface through which magma and gases are expelled.
A caldera is a cauldron-like volcanic feature usually formed by the collapse of land following a volcanic eruption. They are sometimes confused with volcanic craters.
Lava is hot, molten, or semi-fluid rock erupted from a volcano or fissure. Solid rock is a result from the cooling of this.
Hydrothermal explosions occur when superheated water trapped below the surface of the Earth rapidly converts from liquid to steam, violently disrupting the confining rock.
A hotspot is a volcanically active area of the Earth's surface far from a tectonic plate boundary.
Pressure is the continuous physical force exerted on or against an object by something in contact with it.
A supervolcano is the most destructive force on this planet. Only a few exist in the world, and when they erupt, they do so with a force tens of thousands of times greater than other eruptions. They lie dormant for hundreds of thousands of years as a vast reservoir of magma builds up inside them before finally they unleash their apocalyptic force capable of obliterating continents.
After we learned all the terms, we had to ask ourselves these questions.
Where will the volcano erupt? Why will the volcano erupt? When will the volcano erupt? How will the volcano erupt? Why is it important? And how can we prevent the volcano from erupting?
Where will the volcano erupt? The Caldera volcano is located under Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming and Montana.
Why will the volcano erupt and how will the volcano erupt? The volcano underneath Yellowstone National Park is a supervolcano. Supervolcanoes differ from normal volcanoes in many ways. The stereotypical volcano is a towering cone, but supervolcanoes form in depressions in the ground called calderas. When a normal volcano erupts, lava gradually builds up in the mountain before releasing it. In supervolcanoes, when magma goes towards the surface, it doesn't reach it. Instead, it begins to fill massive underground reservoirs. The magma melts the nearby rock to form more extremely thick magmas. The magma is so vicious that volcanic gases that normally trigger an eruption cannot pass, so a massive amount of pressure begins to build up. This continues for hundreds of thousands of years until an eruption occurs, which blasts away a huge amount of ground, forming a new caldera.
When will the volcano erupt? We could be due for a supervolcano eruption any day between now and the next 60,000 years.
Why is this important? This is important because this eruption can destroy the United States. The last time the caldera erupted, ash and debris got into the wind and caused temperatures around the world to go down. Also, a 10-foot layer of ash and debris came down on the ground.
How can we prevent this? Truth is, we can't really prevent this from happening. The volcano has erupted 3 times in the last 2.1 million years. The next time this happens, it will put the world in an endless winter.
So in conclusion, our group figured out that we cannot do anything to stop the Caldera volcano from erupting and destroying the United States.